Why? Hello. Hi.
Wow. Hello, everyone. Welcome in.
He's definitely in the next room, isn't he?
He totally is.
Yeah. Once we stepped inside, a figure went rigid. The fist clenched in her side was trembling ever so slightly. She remembered what she did to Natty yesterday. She gawked restlessly at her surroundings and must have been too overwhelmed to have noticed my presence.
Yeah.
I love how energetic that was. Just. The girl instantly planted herself on the ground. The moment she heard my voice, covered her head with both hands and squeezed her eyes shut. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I'll do it again, damn it. You're the girl who came by yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm.
As soon as the girl realized I was the one who'd spoken to her, she jumped empathetically back to her feet.
It's not my fault, okay?
What is that purple thing behind her head?
Click it.
Huh? Although
I assume it's a pot? Because it looks like a plant behind it.
Yeah.
But it's just like a tiny curtained shelf with a pot on it.
Yeah. If you know what that is, please let us know in the comments below.
I'm losing my sanity, but okay.
Welcome to Every Day of My Life. Although her face flushed bright red, she pointed a glare in my direction. And a flare too. Like, where did she get that from?
Flare! It's because I thought nobody was here.
This is a shop.
I thought I could break and enter. You're careless. It's not my fault.
I'm not the one breaking and entering here.
I didn't say breaking and entering. I said baking and bageling.
Bagel?
What?
Tears began to primple the corner of her lashes, almost as if I'd done something horrible to her. I demand a bagel.
You don't know what bagels are?
Now that's a character trait. Don't know what bagels are.
She thinks that Junior doesn't know what bagels are. That's what she's upset about this entire time.
Yeah, forget the ass. It's the bagels that are the most important thing here. Oh, I get it now. She likely thought I was accusing her of trespassing. And as the girl said, there was nobody in the office. Why is she in the office then? What's she doing here? Darn it, Missouri. It wasn't uncommon for the older residents from the neighborhood association to drop by to chat, so it wasn't a big deal, but still. I just realised that that's the fan on. That's probably interfered with the recording on my end. Oh well. Suddenly, the girl tried to sit by me and make a break for it. Wait. I reached out and reflex and grabbed the girl's arm from over her jacket.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? I released her arm, but even through her jacket, it felt incredibly tender, so thin I briefly wondered if I might break it, like a twig.
What?
I wasn't sure how to respond. There's plenty I wanted to ask, of course. Like, why did she come here? Who was she? What relationship had she with Takaya? What did she mean by what she said before? However, I didn't think now was the right time to ask my questions. This office isn't open to the public, so if you don't, I don't care if you come in without asking permission. Shortly translated to, you haven't done anything wrong, so you don't need to run away. I want to talk to you more. You, the person who knew about Takaya.
Maybe use your words instead of saying it in your head, idiot.
Yeah, right. Otherwise, she's just
I want to talk to you more. You, the person who knows Takaya. You, the one who interacted with Takaya face to face, who yelled at me and been living rent-free in my head since we met.
Yeah.
You, the little girl who keeps following me. You, the... Maybe actually don't say all of that out loud.
Yeah, you...
Just like the first part of saying, like, I want to talk to you.
Yeah, right, and... That's another thing, like... Protagonists in these just do not get it right. Like, oh yeah, I'm going to go through all this for like exposition for the player. You know, the funny voice in my head. When speak to the person in front of you.
Yeah. Careless.
Otherwise, then you get some accusations of this. I guess it would make me happy if you could call us dependable. It's proof that we trust our neighbours too.
Careless.
She looks like a hamster.
In a ball.
Let's keep her away from Seeker.
No. Just like big hamster ball. I want to roll down the hills. I love Sonic. Rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go, gotta follow Takaya.
We're thousands of miles away apart from each other, and we had the exact same thoughts.
I mean, to be fair, we did play SA2 together.
We did. Judging by the look on her face, she probably thought to herself, what is that guy talking about? I frankly searched for a proper seek to avoid getting discouraged. Let me tell you about bagels.
Not siege. I love a proper siege you.
Siege.
I didn't hear what you said, but you did not say segue.
Hey, would you mind telling me your name? Oh, sorry. It's right to the bottom.
Why?
Well, I thought about using your name might help avoid spooking you in future. You know, just like how you spooked me yesterday with the laser pointer.
Did you not hear like the 4 times I said why?
No, it didn't come through at all.
Motherfucker! What does that even mean?
It appeared I somehow crossed the line. I didn't think it was a bad idea to ask her name, though. Maybe I should rethink about this when I meet women in the future. Hey, Chihaya, what's your name?
Maybe I should, like, not be weird.
Maybe.
Azusa.
Anubis?
Azusa.
Gotcha, Imhotep.
like the Magic the Gathering character who went on many journeys.
Huh. Are you a planeswalker too?
No.
Damn it.
She's from Kamigawa and she died.
Ah.
She was lost. That's the reason why there's Azusa Lost But Seeking, and her other one is Azusa's Many Journeys.
Huh.
Both of which allow you to play additional lands on your turn.
Huh.
Azusa Satomi.
Why does Azusa sit on you?
I'm a child.
Oh. That doesn't explain anything. Why did Azusa sit on you?
It's a magic card. It's not that big.
Gotcha.
Not making this weird, fuck you.
She replied with a pointed stare. Azusa sat on me. I'm surprised I
Why
ain't
did Azusa sit on you?
You're brilliant.
Thank you. My form of comedy is repeat it but louder.
And surprisingly, her name didn't ring a bell. I'm Junior Mizumoto.
You know who you are.
She didn't reply. I hadn't expected her to be honest and tell me her name. Who was this girl? It was taking a while, but I was the one step closer to learning the truth.
I'm back! Who's she?
This is going to lead to a jealousy arc.
I'm your little sister. She can fuck off.
Yeah, remember that whole thing with Aina this morning? You're mine.
I have to go replenish my bagels. Okay?
Have you got any for me?
Pulls bagel out of shirt. No.
Oh, is that cream cheese again? Well, I hope you enjoy it, because now you're making me sad, making me watch you eat it.
Yeah, you don't deserve one.
Why?
Only a good Onika deserves one.
Fine, you're not getting Takaya's ass.
God.
What happened to you watching the store?
Well, Dad called me when I got home. So I'll just see him. You get bagels.
Huh. And then... I heard how far his story come from the back room.
He's asleep?
How would I know? You're the one who was with him.
I mean, it sounds like it. Kind of. Is that what snoring sounds like?
I don't think that's what snoring sounds like. I don't know anybody who actually makes the oh noise when they're sleeping.
What the?
I hope the audience doesn't mind this, but this is probably how I actually expect the snoring to be going.
Holy shit, your face. The only thing I can imagine from that, like, the way you were moving through that is that
Yeah. Beanfish is a very silly program. Did you leave after he called you?
Who can really say?
Okay, when you say it like that, Miss Ora, what do you mean?
Well, he was gone, so I left.
And the bagels?
Pulls the other one out. Gone left.
Damn you. I will get my bagels.
I won't.
Yeah, well.
I literally ate the whole packet.
Madoa, I can't make this any more clearer. No ass for you.
My bagel.
I'm not leaving it to Guy's ass to you in my will.
You won't get any bagels for the rest of your life.
That's fine, I'll just get too high to make them.
Chihaya.
I'm lecturing you both when he wakes up.
Why?
Because I want those bagels, damn it.
You don't deserve them. You scared away a little girl. What the fuck did you do? Junya Mizumoto.
Targets are quiet.
Days of Change. Yay! We're on to
Yay.
chapter 2. I think. Probably.
I think. What's this, day 3?
What a cut! We're going to the next episode now.
Yes, we
Goodbye,
are.
everyone!
Bye-bye.